A new concept in four-wheel drive produced by the makers of the famous Jeep, the world's most useful vehicle. Yes, forward control, a completely new style of four-wheel drive. Ruggedness, traction, and maneuverability are needed here, and you get all three with this new Jeep vehicle. Its four-wheel drive makes it easy to go even where roads do not exist, such as through this thick underbrush. Four-wheel drive means go-anywhere ability. Go anywhere with a full payload safely and economically. When the going gets really rugged, just shift into low range. Wheel drive traction enables you to drive with ease and confidence through mud and over soft ground whenever necessary. When your cargo has to get through and you can't wait for good weather or depend on good roads, Jeep four-wheel drive lets you make your own path. With the new forward control styling, you sit right up front. You can see obstacles quickly and can easily maneuver around them. Jeep ability and Jeep stamina get you through on or off the road every day of the year. Yes, this is Forward Control, the new Jeep Forward Control truck, a new concept in a four-wheel drive vehicle, and the latest addition to the already famous Jeep family. Greater visibility with its wraparound windshield, greater driver comfort with its big, roomy cab, greater economy with its famous and efficient Jeep F-head engine,